Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to create a storage pool and dataset on TrueNAS. Open your browser and type your TrueNAS server IP address. Log in with your admin credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the left menu and click on Storage. Click Pools. Now, let's create a pool. Click the Add button on the top right. Choose Create New Pool and click Create Pool. Give your pool a name. For example, I'll name mine Main Pool. Select the available disks you want to include. Drag the disks into the Data VDEVs section. Confirm the warning. Remember, this will erase all data on the selected disks. Once everything looks good, click Create. Wait for the process to complete. Alright. The pool has been created successfully. Now, let's create a dataset within the pool to better organize our data. Go back to Storage and click Pools. Click the three dots next to your newly created pool and select Add Dataset. Enter your dataset name, for example, IT Admin or Documents. Set the share type, generic, SMB, NFS, or ISCSI depending on how you plan to use it. Once done, click Save. After creating the dataset, you might want to set proper permissions. Click the three dots next to your dataset and select Edit Permissions. Assign the user, group, and set Read, Write, Execute permissions. Click Save. Perfect. Now your dataset is ready for storing files or creating network shares. And that's it. You've successfully created a pool and dataset in TrueNAS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more TrueNAS and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.